Let's dive right into the latest in intellectual property, AI tools for patent figures. What actually works today? Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and its impact is now felt in the meticulous world of patent drafting, specifically for visual figures. The core problem legal professionals face is the time-consuming nature of manually creating accurate patent figures. It's slow, and often a bottleneck in the application process. AI offers a compelling promise, automating the creation of these figures, speeding up the drafting process significantly. So how effective are the current AI tools available for generating patent figures? Current tools leverage generative AI and machine learning to interpret textual descriptions and produce corresponding visual elements. They are proving most effective for simpler visuals like flowcharts, block diagrams, and basic component illustrations. However, AI for patent figures still faces significant limitations when dealing with complexity. The demand for technical precision and complex component detailing in utility patents remains a major challenge for purely automated systems. AI struggles to accurately depict novel claims and subtle details specific to a new invention, often requiring significant human refinement. So how can legal professionals integrate these AI tools effectively into their workflow today? The key is to leverage AI for first drafts of non-critical figures, saving significant time on the basics. The most successful approach is a hybrid one, using AI for initial generation and relying on human expertise for review, technical accuracy, and adherence to specific claim details. Looking ahead, the technology is only going to improve. What does the future hold for AI and intellectual property drawings? Expect to see new AI models with dramatically increased precision and a better understanding of complex, multi-component assemblies. This integration will ultimately streamline the patent application process, making it faster and more cost-effective, while maintaining the required legal and technical standards.